Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first we have to come this website www.gigabyte.com. This is search button. So click this is search button. Then type H310M space S2H. Then hit. So this one. Click on support. Select your operating system which is using Windows 10. So both operating system installations process same. If you in this motherboard are using Windows 10, so you can see this video and install it. And always try to latest driver. Okay, audio driver. And this is Realtek audio driver. This is for DCH. Okay, install this one. Click to download first. When you click to download icon, it will start downloading. You can see. Okay, and then close it. Then chipset. So first INF installer. Click on download. Then Intel Management Engine firmware. Also click to download. Then LAN driver. Realtek LAN driver. Okay, and click on download. This is download button. First download, I will show you how to install. Okay, then you can see this is VG. Now all is downloaded, but VGA graphic card, it is downloading because this is 525 MB. Then see all driver is completed. So it's all downloaded. Then click on the this icon. When it is downloaded, it will show you. Now you can see this is all the downloaded driver. So first select one, then extract all, and then same locations, then click on extract. First close all, extract. After that try to install, then select this one, right click, extract all. Because sometime in extract and real in raw file is not find some system, so that means you getting some issues. And last one, graphic card. So last 5, this is driver and this is extracted, so this is not need, delete it. Okay, so first this driver Realtek, open it, open folder, then find out setup. So this is your setup, just right click to run as administrator. Otherwise if you're 10, so show more and then click on administrator, run as administrator. After that click on yes. Now you can see this installations window. Now like that, audio driver. Okay, then click next. So it will complete it, you will show yes you want to restart computer, so select no, I will restart later, finish, because you have a more driver also required. Okay, come to back. Now this one updated chipset driver, open this, then you can see this is setup of chipsets, always run setup. Okay, right click, run as administrator, otherwise Windows 10, so more, and then click to run as administrator, click yes. Next, accept and click on install. Now this is install and it will complete it, and just close it, then next, back, then third, open, this is also for chipset, and run as administrator, click on yes. Oh, this is LAN driver. So it will close automatic, means this is installed. And it will take some time to install and depend about your system. So it is closed, means install. Now second, open, double click to open, then right click to run as administrator, show more, and then run as administrator. This asking for administrator rights, so click on yes. So finish it, then back. Okay, so all driver it is installed. Then guys, all completed. After that, restart your system. Thank you.